So you're going to use a 60-second talk for connecting, for a networking event, for any time you're invited to like, oh, stand up and share about yourself. You're going to use a 60-second talk for video online. You're going to use a 60-second talk for social media, right? You're going to use a 60-minute talk for speaking, workshops, webinars, master classes, on-stage speaking, off-stage speaking. A 60-minute talk could be a Facebook Live. It could be a challenge, all of that. You're looking at a 60-second talk, and you're looking at then moving that into 60 minutes. So how do these change, right? A 60-second talk, right, really is just a singular story with an offer. But a 60-minute talk, you might have 3 to 5 stories. You're expanding those stories. Your offer isn't just a few sentences, but you might spend 10 minutes or so being more in development of your offer. Then when you move into 12 hours or 60 hours or whatever it is, you're taking the same, and also not just 3 to 5 stories in 60 minutes, you're also having 3 to 5 education points where you can only have 1 education point in your bullseye. Then when you're talking about a 60-hour, but let's just use this event as an example, about 12 hours, I'm probably teaching about, give or take, 15 different education points. You've heard me already in a day, and not even a day and a half, a day and a quarter, you've probably heard me tell 10 stories, right? Probably when this is over, you'll hear me tell 12 or 15 stories, right? So it literally just begins to expand. And the reason we start with the 60-second is this is your one thing. When you're able to nail the 60-second, it's much easier to expand because it's just more content, more teaching points, more stories that represent that. When you get into the 60 minutes, of course, you start adding in, as somebody asked just a few minutes ago, case studies and examples and samples, and you add more of those case studies. I've actually had some people, you're going to hear from a guest here in a few minutes. I've had people come on live here to share. I'm really big on models, samples, examples, models, samples, examples, and you can give more models, samples, and examples the more you extend this out.